Gender-affirming care for transgendered minors again at the center of a legal debate tonight.
A ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court allows a Tennessee ban on such medical care to stand, and a similar ban is also in effect here in Alabama.
Supporters of the ban say it's about preventing children from making medical changes to their bodies that they might regret later. But opponents say decisions about medical care should be left up to doctors, patients, and their families. WSFA 12 News reporter Monet Stevens has more on the impact of today's ruling.
A devastating blow to the LGBTQ+ community following a Supreme Court ruling that rolls back a policy they have long supported, gender-affirming care for minors.
It's heartbreaking. It's absolutely devastating. I feel like we're going back years and years and years of progress.
Adam Hunt, a longtime advocate of the group, calls this a loss for transgender rights.
I feel like this ruling puts politics over the health and lives of our vulnerable young people, and it's also a setback for human rights and medical care.
He adds the ruling not only affects minors who want to begin the transition process, but it could also have serious health implications for those already undergoing hormone therapy or taking puberty blockers.
They may face abrupt treatment disruptions that can cause severe emotional distress and health complications.
Tennessee and Alabama are two of 27 states that have similar laws. Alabama passed its version of the law in 2022. Alabama Republican Party Chairman John Wall says the ruling aligns with the party's position on safeguarding children from making decisions considered by some to be potentially harmful and irreversible.
You know, if you have a 12, 13-year-old who makes these changes and then later they change their minds, there's no way for them to go back.
He believes this decision is bringing what they call common sense back into the state policies.
There's males and there's females. Respect that and put this common sense into policies.
The ruling has been part of a larger effort from the Trump administration to regulate the lives of transgender people. Just last month, the Supreme Court gave the administration the okay to remove transgender troops out of the military. Valerie?
All right, thanks a lot, Monet. And the president of the American Academy of Pediatrics says the organization is unwavering in its support of gender-affirming care and stands with pediatricians and families making healthcare decisions together and free from political interference.
Israel